Students, we know that stream of consciousness narrative technique was popularized by Virginia Woolf in the beginning of the 20th century. But do you know where are the roots of this stream of consciousness in English literature? Then listen, you need to go back to the 18th century in the times of Laurence Sterne. Laurence Sterne, who was one of the four pillars of English novels during the 18th century, wrote for the first time an unorthodox novel, Tristram Shandy, written in 9 volumes from 1760 to 1767. Laurence Sterne wrote this unorthodox novel to express the disordered state of human mind and life. For the first time in his novel, we see deliberate digressions, chapters placed in disorder, crazy diagrams, sometimes so many dashes together, so many asterisk marks together, sometimes some blank pages inserted, and sometimes black pages also. These all techniques are adopted by Laurence Sterne in Tristram Shandy in order to release a message that life is not a bed of roses. It is full of disorder. It is full of ups and downs. It is full of unexpected situations. And life is a pathless wood.